yellow crab pea seed, and you will then new advance and print. This only works in 14.0111. Okay, create world, and you will be spawned here, and you will see the double sand temple combined together. You will make this a house, and look at the difference. Break this and you fresh. And diamonds, right? Diamonds. You will up here, and you will go to the other tent. Just break this, and you will get into it. Look, this is so cool, right? And you will get this. No item, no diamonds. Just I can use road. Boom, boom, boom. The items I not get. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Makai Eric James. Okay.